and please subscribe.
Vlogging today. Car meet. Finna turn this bitch up. Tune in. This shit is bizarre. What the fuck? Yo. Somebody keep telling me it's been a long. It's my fault. Nigga, these were my GTA dream cars. Bam 50. These shits are crazy. Anyways, tune in. Good vlog coming. Let's get it right. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck? It's a fucking Supra.
Man, everybody in Georgia was getting pulled over.
Where the fuck did that Supra go? Dumb old school caddy. Fucking begged. Oh, this shit is clapped out. Fucking Honda? What fucking kind of Honda is that? Yo. Nismo. Plague, you got fat. What's up, buddy? You good?
Big dog.
Nice shit, chillin'.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Get down to look at the drag tires on this bitch. These bitches beefy. dumb fast. Lambo Do 50. No, that's not even a 50. 2.3 boosted. Go subscribe. My vid gonna be copyrighted. What the fuck is that? A McLaren. Engine in the air. Yo, what the fuck? Yo. This shit is crazy. Ferrari? A fucking Ferrari? I ain't gonna lie. Look, the cars you see, look at the CTS. Damn. The peanut butter inside Bentley. These bitches is hard. But, you know, I would let y'all hear the audio, but I can't get copyrighted, man. They were playing a banger. Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gonna love nobody like you. Nah, but yeah, hell nah. I can't get copyrighted. Hey, wait. Y'all go subscribe. Turn on, you feel me, post notification. Leave me a thumbs up, man. I really need to make it. To be honest. Damn, Boss 302. What is that, a Whipple? Look at the turn. That's a so. Oh my gosh. And another. Boy, these bitches is hard. Look at that. Clap down. What is that, a Honda ball? That bitch too hard. That shit is too hard. I ain't gonna cap. Wait, I think the music start right here. Alright, I'm going. Enjoy the video. Alright, we back. We got this sexy ass Back to the Future ass mail truck. Oh, that cool ass. Oh. But yeah, they were playing a whole bunch of music. I refuse to get copyrighted. And while I'm at 1,000 subs, damn, what's this? Is this a Shelby 500? Ooh, look at that Cobra with the brim boards. Ooh, shit. That motherfucker was bad. Hey, but look, I'm gonna let, that's another one. Hey, look, back to the vid. But my camera has so much fucking quality, it's crazy. Yeah. 5W20. This bitch hard. I fuck with it. What the fuck, yo? These bitches are hard.
COVID, I grabbed the other shell. You know Brett, man? Yeah. You got his?
This bitch got crazy. This shit is crazy. Hey, who? Any car can do it. Yeah. This bitch hard. Cutlass. Fucking Cutlass.
You can pull right here and block all this in. Oh, Jake came now. Nice.
I didn't even know that shit had hydraulics in it. Y'all see that paint?
Right.
It's got 4 fucking batteries. With a spare though, it got a spare. He don't even know what he riding in. This shit legendary. Like, yo, what the fuck, bro? This shit is wild. A fucking Supra. With 180 on the dash.
Oh yeah, that shit nice.
That's goddamn El Chapo nephew. Shit. Why that nigga? What the fuck? Go subscribe. Yeah. I think this it for the vlog. Trap House Meat, feel me, chill shit. I love y'all, man. Road to 2K, 1.1K first. You know what I'm saying? Cool shit. Why you look like you tired of him doing that shit? What the fuck? Bro, who is this nigga with the red shirt, bro?
Oh no.
That shit hard as fuck. What the fuck? Flame, bro. Are we gonna walk this time or no? Cool. Let's get close. Shit. We need some fucking s'mores. That shit is dumb fucking crazy. Real monster truck.
Nigga, the wording is.
What do you not eat?
Okay.
No,
That's all I got.
the wording is. What type of food do you like?
Okay.
No. That's why I'm about to tell you, move, bitch. That bitch shoot fire.
What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga?
What's going on?
What's up? Who the fuck is that? What's up? No, it's YouTube, bro. No, bro. Say something positive. Damn.
What's up, man? Yeah, like they want to let them go to prom and shit.
Oh, hell no. That is. I should have knew it was your ass. You. I'm a real YouTuber. Make sure y'all go subscribe. Try to leave a record.